Sahi. Your health. Your choice.
3 simple ways to naturally whiten your teeth at home. There are multiple factors that cause teeth to become dull and lose their bright, white sparkle. Certain foods can stain your enamel, which is the outermost layer of your teeth. Additionally, plaque buildup on your teeth can cause them to look yellow. This type of discoloration can usually be treated with regular cleaning and whitening remedies. However, sometimes teeth look yellow because the hard enamel has eroded away, revealing the dentin underneath. Dentin is a naturally yellow bony tissue that lies underneath the enamel. Here are 3 simple ways you can naturally whiten your teeth. 1. Brush with baking soda. Brushing with a paste made with baking soda and water can reduce bacteria in your mouth and buff away surface stains. 2. Use hydrogen peroxide. In fact, people have been using hydrogen peroxide for years to disinfect wounds because of its ability to kill bacteria. Many commercial whitening products contain hydrogen peroxide, although at a much higher concentration than you will use. Unfortunately, there aren't any studies to show the effects of rinsing or brushing with hydrogen peroxide alone, but several studies have analyzed commercial toothpastes containing peroxide. 3. Try oil pulling. Oil pulling is a traditional Indian folk remedy meant to improve oral hygiene and remove toxins from the body. The practice involves swishing oil around in your mouth to remove bacteria, which can turn into plaque and cause your teeth to look yellow. 2. Trusted source. Traditionally, Indians used sunflower or sesame oil for oil pulling, but any oil will work. You could use coconut oil. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.